how to message on TikTok. So if you want to message on TikTok and if you're under 18, then what you need to do is first open up your TikTok application. Once you open up your TikTok, now you need to go with the profile option and go with upper right, which has that 3 bar, and go with settings and privacy. Go with account, go with your account information, and you can go with your date of birth. But if you don't have your date of birth right here, then you can go back and switch to a personal account. And once you switch to your personal account, you may have your date of birth. But if you've not set your date of birth, then you can go and set your date of birth. So if you're under 18 or if you're under 16, then you won't be able to message on TikTok. Like if you're 17 and 18, you'll be able to message, but if you're under 16, then you won't be able to message on TikTok. So unfortunately, if you've added your date of birth, which is under 16, then you won't have an option to change your date of birth on TikTok. So the only way you can do is you can simply delete the account that you have right now and then log into another account or create another account. And once you've created other account, then you'll be able to message on TikTok. So there's no way you can message on TikTok under 16. And if you have any question, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.